restroom. You go down the steps there, the building across the street, that is the restroom.
So for today, I am legit up in the Blue Mountain. Wow, mic sound very loud.
Now, as soon as you're ready for your Blue Mountain coffee, I want you to walk over and help yourself. Someone got me first. Go give it a shot. If you're sleeping, it's gonna wake you up.
Pretty. This is the Bali swing all the way up in the Blue Mountain area in Jamaica. You get me? So I just got called to come here. So look at the swing. So imagine somebody's supposed to just go on this and just swing it all the way out. Yo, so the drive to come up here took like a couple hours. You get me? Like a couple hours from all the way in Kingston, well, New Kingston, and then drive all the way past Papine area, and then after you pass Papine area, you come all the way past Hollywell, and now we're here. So I am going to see what today holds. I think this is like the final road trip for me for 2022. I've been to so much places in 2022. I'm very grateful for that, you know. So I'm going to see what today holds. What a beautiful day. It has been a very magnificent year so far. Couple days until 2023. Am I exposed properly? Let me just give this a little bit more light. Okay, more light. Oh, too much. This too much. Yo, I can't vlog without ND filters. That's crazy. So I don't know when I'm going to take a swing on the swing. They call it the Bali swing, but it's not that far out. Oh, you're very secured. Okay, that's nice. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so stay tuned for that. Guess you're very secured here. Oh yeah, them strap it in. Oh, it's springy. Seat didn't look too bad at all. Wow, I just swing all the way out. Egg instead. No, just give me everything. I'm gonna try everything because I'm really hungry, I swear. You guys get a little bit more egg, please. I'm good. Just a little bit more egg. Alright, that's fine.
Okay.
Ah, lovely. So I'm actually outside creating content. So I just had breakfast and I am going to have a check with my homeboy Yannick. He was just flying the Avatar. Wow, FPV life. Today should be a very fun day. How was that flight?
That's pretty cool.
Make it. Let's start from this one.
I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Face so numb. Face so numb. Face so numb that I can see.
The weather is acting crazy. ISO too high. bring down the ISO a bit. Oh crap, look at this. Yeah, it's a flow. Look at that, just flowing.
Something else,
Sure. Hey, Ali! So I'm here waiting. Creating content takes a lot of time. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 content creators shooting one person. Oh, I will make 8. Yo, so we're actually showcasing this Bali swing with that dress thingy right there from her dress. That's where you can get one of those dress thingy. But the weather is not really working out for me right now. But if you look over that side, it's a bit sunny. But right here, really overcast, which I really hate that. Ship. Alright, so this is a 45 minutes hike. Well, now to the full hike stage, isn't it? Now to the full hike, so it's gonna be a walk. The place feels chilly.
Yeah, ready now?
Yo, damn. I don't know if you're used to them vlog life, isn't it? Alright, on the camera life, is in. Alright. Oh yeah, get jacket I give it. Should I get jacket? Pull over life.
I don't know what film is this. What's your hot skin?
Jesus.
Man, like a tourist. Like a tourist.
I'm trying to look at that.
We look at short shots.
Feel it bug today.
Come on, man. Oh,
so you ever find that?
The fuck?
You guys know lemongrass, right?
Oh yeah, drink every morning.
Free lemongrasses? No, it must show the lemongrass.
Ready to take a picture?
Video man.
Huh?
From Canada.
Ready to take a picture?
Video man, does the thing man.
Okay, you guys can take a smell if you want and pass it around.
Oh, that smells nice too. All the time.
Yeah, tourists, that's smell for the camera.
It's a tourist smell for the camera.
What kind of flower is this?
So we're on a crazy hike. Look at the view.
We have to get some quick pics because the team came to nowhere getting missing.
Breathe.
Place feel chilly.
You don't even get a cold.
Feel chilly. I never said I am chilly.
You get stuck with X.
Feel.
Little chilly.
Oh, if you're chilly, you can't chill.
Feeling nice. A little chilly. A little chilly.
Bake that pop.
Dad. You tired?
No, I'm good.
I'm so tired. It's like place really slippery because the last time I was in Trinidad I fell and I broke the lens for my Fuji. So are you good? Same thing. But I almost dropped. You good?
Taking the time step good on here. You slide away.
Slide away.
Yeah.
Damn.
Don't try to put your
Don't drop in it.
Yeah.
Walking on the grass.
No, yeah, idiot.
But set your foot straight, set it sideways, yeah.
You are shit. We can't laugh. Oh. Shake your foot.
Yo. Climb down, take up shoes and walk barefoot, I swear.
Take time.
Yeah, man, I want to go. Hey. Hey. No, don't set your foot straight. Yeah, turn slant way. Yeah.
Give me a wide one. Give me a wide one again. No man, turn, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, fuck around. Nah, see black still enough.
Black say wanted.
Okay.
Black saying, get up around them fast. Jesse.
More up on the side on the shoulder, not too slide. Walk front to your slide. Walk to your side.
What kind of match
Walk on the front.
Don't you send a slipper, man, Yannick?
Take a drive.
No, the match Stefan.
Say my PTSD.
Yeah.
Oh.
Charge, you want to walk on the side. What did everything? I'm getting a face.
Can't get somewhere now.
Yeah, wait it, brother.
Come. Come, stingy. Come, stingy.
I'm going to think drop.
We're currently at the final location. I don't know how the audio sounds, but yo, Jamaica nice. That's all I can say. Yo, so much unexpected adventure and stuff like that today. Wicked. Now I have to go all the way up that stairs to the bus and head back into Kingston. I'm tired, yo. I'm tired. Walking to the bus.